Abdali Grammar School, Science. Lesson. Earth and Solar System. Lecture number 4. 69, Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Dear students, welcome back with another new interesting topic of science. Eclipse. When one object in space blocks another from view. There are two types of eclipse. Solar eclipse. Lunar eclipse. First we discuss about lunar eclipse. Earth revolves around the sun during this revolution. Sometimes it comes between moon and sun. Earth blocks the sunlight from reaching the moon, and its shadow appears on the moon, and moon looks dark. Let's discuss about solar eclipse. Moon revolves around the Earth. Sometimes moon comes between Earth and sun. When this happens, sun cannot be seen from the Earth as it is hidden behind the moon. Moon blocks sunlight coming to the Earth and casts a shadow. Due to the shape of Earth that people in some areas cannot see the eclipse, some many see total eclipse and other may see partial eclipse. Thanks for watching. Must like and subscribe our YouTube channel. 69, Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore.